Hello, I am Steve Baker in the Roanoke, Virginia office of Williams DeLoatche Personal Injury Attorneys. Our firm has received several inquiries about the use of dash cam footage in auto crash cases. Is it appropriate to use it? We would say, yes, it very well may be something that you need to use, and so you definitely want to make sure you investigate using it. Virginia has a rule called contributory negligence. They're saying you caused the accident, not them, even when they're clearly responsible. So dash cam footage provides another source of reliable evidence that can be used to show that you were in fact not at fault. For answers to questions like this and many more, please reach out to the attorneys at Williams DeLoatche, like myself, at 757-547-5555, or you can find us on the web at wd-law.com.